Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. Here we've got also wallpaper services, so you can enter them and choose something from those options. So let's simply tap on the specific wallpaper which you'd like to apply, and as you can see, you will be able to decide whether you want to set it as a lock screen, home screen or both. Just mark the option and tap on next. Now you can check how it will look like on the full screen, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. Wait until it will be loaded properly. You can also change the position of the dog in my case. So just do it like you want to, and then tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.